Welcome. Today we're going to talk about the Data Center Energy Practitioner Program, also known as the DCEP program. It's a certification program. I'm with North American Access Technologies. This is Julius Nudoffer, and we are an authorized professional training provider for this program. DCEP program is really done by the U.S. Department of Energy in conjunction with the Federal Energy Management Program, and it really is about improving data center energy efficiency. And the program is there to train both federal and non-federal employees on improving data centers for federal and other commercial data centers, as well as state and local. It's also part of the Data Center Optimization Initiative, DCOI, which requires federal data centers to employ DCEPs to assign and optimize data centers. And of course, it does a certification program to allow you to evaluate energy and energy efficiency opportunities in data centers. The course objectives are to do assessments, understand the concept, and transmit that information onto colleagues, to understand the process of doing energy data centers. And of course, there's also the Department of Energy Tool Suite. And ultimately, you'd like to be able to pass the data center certification exam, which will give you the certification. Course material that's included with this program is a study guide, the actual training, of course, the training slides, process manuals, etc. And ultimately, there is an exam, which is an open book exam, multiple choice, with a 75% pass mark. Consists of two portions in this program. One is the Level 1, or the Generalist program, which is a high-level overview of IT equipment, air management, cooling, and electrical systems. And the second level, Level 2, is called the Specialist program for HVAC, which together form a 3-day program. In day 1, we have 8 modules there, ending in the Generalist exam at the end of the day. For day 2 and 3, for the Specialists, we cover all the topics listed there and ultimately provide the special exams at the end of day 3. Note that you have to take both courses, both the Generalist and the Specialist, to become a Specialist. Classes are scheduled in most major cities on the East Coast and the West Coast. Costs are as follows. Generalist is a $1,175 program, which includes the exam. The Specialist, if you take it separately, is $2,175. But if you take the 3-day program together, it's $2,900, which includes the exam. This is the most common way to take the Specialist package, and highly recommended if you're aiming to be a Specialist. Next class is going to be in Ashburn, Virginia, on October 2 to 4. And, of course, this is in the Washington, D.C. area and the surrounds. It's a very popular class in terms of government participation. We also have classes in New York City and other East Coast cities, as well as some on the West Coast. Of course, if you would consider doing it at your own site, this would reduce your training costs and travel costs for your students. And of course, if you take advantage of the group discounts, you can get 15 or 20% discounts related to the number of people in the class. The tools include some high-level resources, DC Pro tool, which is available online, the PU estimator, which is a basic, quick and dirty way to do a PUE if you don't have full instrumentation, and ultimately the downloadable air management tool, which allows you to download and understand the airflow inputs for IT power and cooling, and provides an output of PUE, energy usage, etc., as well as a detailed list of energy improvements. And the tool is really an interesting spreadsheet covering a lot of key data for calculating your fan savings, your chiller energy savings, based on better airflow management. The electrical bill, of course, will be a permanent part of your operating costs, so any savings that you get continue throughout the life of the data center. And, of course, this allows some very quick paybacks for some very minimal investment, just some time and energy in most cases. The program is an official program, and it's the only one that's federally certified under the Federal Energy Program and, of course, under the Department of Energy. It's unlike other certificates. It is an official government certificate as opposed to other data center training programs. Of course, information can be found at LBNL's site, as you can see in the URL, for Data Center Energy Practitioner Program Training. And of course, we are an authorized training provider for this program here at North American Access Technologies. We can be reached at www.naat.com, email us at DCEP Training at naat.com, or call us at 914-747-9703. And again, our next class is going to be in Ashburn, Virginia, October 2 to 4. We look forward to hearing from you, and we thank you for your time and attention.